Thank you so much. Thank you.
Mucemanio gatagati ka Muhuraniri wa giturwa kia ungabana na tigiti wa kiama kia Jubilee guku Nairobi Polycap Igathe na ngwataniro yake uma wa kwaririria nete ya mieneno yeri kurutithania wira angikorwo Igathe ni akahota githurano-ini kinene kia mweri wa kanana. No Igathe ni acokereire ndereti agie we gutiga wira ari ta munini wa gavana guku Nairobi rungu rwa uria wari gavana Nairobi Sonko. Igathe akiuga ati guthingitha kwa utongoria wa Sonko nikuo kuratumire acokerere uteti wa Nairobi.
He even started his own service. That's how we became friends when I was MD of Shell. I started fueling his trucks to take water there. But now there is water because there are boreholes. What am I saying? Life in politics is not a gladiator sport where you hate the people who came before you. We forgive one another and we move on united and we celebrate the good things people have done and we forget the bad things they have done. We give them an amnesty.
Igathe augite ati Sonko niwe wa mufundithirie uteti na ati ngwataniro gatagati kao ndiri na rumene ta uria gwiciragirio. Akiuga ati korwo ndatigire wira gitingiari kihoto kuri muingi uria wa mathurite.
Son who brought the plight of the informal settlements to the political scene is one Mike Sonko Kioko wa Kivanguli. That is the man who made us realize politically the problem of the informal settlements. I celebrate him.
Igathe akoretwo akihuthira njira ya mwanya ya kuhura kambeini guku Nairobi akionekana gukuruhana na Kenya ikiro cia thi mari mawira-ini mao na ni ateteire kambeini ciake akiuga ati ona riria anaruta wira kambuni-ini ciri igweta guku bururi-ini mutugo wake ni wa gukuruhana na aruti wira a ikiro ciothe.
That's why people are saying, oh, Igathe has a very unique campaign. What unique campaign? Igathe is celebrating blue collar work, which is the foundation of a city.
Na wegi uteti wa gifururi githurano-ini kinene kia mweri wa kanana, Igathe ugite ati ithaburi ya ikia kura thiini wa gitaro kia Mount Kenya nirio rigutuithania no ukahota giturwa kia president.
Conversation is about who will do it. Who will do it? And this conversation, the people who have not decided the most, they are around Mount Kenya. And those are the ones.
Hadu-ini ha Kameme TV ritwa riakwa ni Kimani wa Gojiri.